Hello, hello there. Welcome back to Introductory Accounting Info. In this video, we want to look at the preparation of the income statement. So we are going to go through our question 5 of this question paper. So our question 5 reads, whereby it reads and draw up the income statement for the year ended on 30 July, which you just need to uh, go through, given additional information whereby it reads the merchandise was valued at 40,000 rands after a physical stock taking on 30 July 2016. So the merchandise that is given in the additional information represents our closing stock. So basically this figure that we have, the trial balance becomes your opening. The figure for stock that you'll be given an opening stock. So the figure that we have is 21,000. So basically, this is what we have. So given our question, we need to prepare the income statement as required. So we are going to save for the year ended 30 July 2016. And we know that in the income statement, we are supposed to start with our sales. So we are going to start by having our sales. Then go back to the question to try to find the figure for sales that we have. So if you go to the nominal account section, you see that we've got the figure for sales here, whereby it's 140,000. So when up from sales, remember, if we had calculated brackets by saying the figure for sales that we have, and then minus any sales returns, if you have them in the question in brackets, and then you put the net figure in. But according to the question, we don't have the sales returns, so we can proceed to the next stage, whereby you're supposed to have less cost of sales. You'll be given the calculated figure for cost. We are going to calculate the figure for cost of sales. So the formula that we're going to use whereby we will stock carried in once or eight input duties equals stock. So basically, I believe the heading that we have here for cost of sales, we are just going to apply. Remember, we have already indicated our opening stock, whereby we identified it here as our 21,000. Then from there, you are supposed to add your purchases. So you can just say plus purchases. Calculate brackets, and then you put the net figure here. So we can check according to the question, whereby we have the figure for purchases. Figure for purchase we are given is 106,000. And then in terms of purchase returns, you'll see that we are not given. So we can just take the figure for purchase that we have, which is 106,000. Then from there, we are also supposed to check our carried purchases or carried inwards. We are having a figure for 2,700. For the figure for carried purchases that we have 2,700. We've got any custom duties or import duties. So we come here, you see that we have got custom duties here, which is 900. So we're also going to then from there, obviously, we are supposed to add to get the total for stock available for use. So if you add your 21,100, you're going to get a total of 130,600 available for use. Then from there, you are supposed to subtract your closing stock. So we're just going to say less closing stock, and we have already identified our closing stock in the additional information, whereby we have put 40,000 as our closing stock. So we are saying less, so we are subtracting. And then from there, we can close so that we can find the figure for our cost of sales. So when you say 130,600 minus 40,000, then you get the figure for cost of sales, which is supposed to come in here as okay. I just try to calculate and see what we get there. So if you subtract correctly, you're going to get your 90,600. So we subtract. So now we are going to say our sales minus our cost of sales, and then the figure that we are going to get becomes your gross profit. So basically, we are saying if you say 140,000 minus 90,600, you are going to get 49,000, 49,400. And this is the figure for gross profit. Okay. Then we move on to from our gross profit, we are supposed to go to add other income. So you are supposed to be checking your question and list all the incomes that we have in the question, and then the total should come in line with other income. Uh, so we go to our question and try to see what we have in terms of other income. So if you check here, you see that I can start from where we've got the nominal account received as an income, whereby we have 60,000. You check again if we have got any other that we also have our interest received of 25,000. From our interest received, we go down, we see that if we check, we also have a discount receipt, which is 50,000. So to be the last one, so we can close so that we can get the total for income. So if we add 60,000 plus 25,000 plus 15,000, you can try to check what do you get there. You're going to get your 100,000. And remember, you're saying 8, so it means and you get 149,400. And the figure that you're going to get becomes your gross income for the year. So from there, we're supposed to now to go to less operating expenses. Our operating expenses, and then the total after adding this here. So basically, this is what we have. So we go to the question, try to check all the operating expenses, and they will be mentioned under the nominal account section. So we're going to come again here and start from the beginning where we have sales, going down, checking for all operating expenses. So we've got carried on sales as our first operating expense. Remember, carried on purchases, we adjusted it in the trading account here where we had our carriage on purchases. So carriage on sales is the one that is supposed to come under operating expenses. So carriage on sales, we've got 450. Then we check the next one after carriage on sales, we have got wages and salaries, 30,200. Again, the next one after wages and salaries, we've got custom duties. We did adjust that in the 21,050. 2,100. 200. Electricity, 7,200. And from electricity, we've got legal costs that we have is 600. So from there, we can now add so that we get the total is supposed to come in line with our operating expenses. So we can just try to add. So obviously, we can close here. So if we add everything that we have in the box, you'll see that the total of operating expenses is going to be 41,600. They put our brackets. So if you say 149,400 minus 41,600, you then get a positive answer. So in this case, we're going to get a positive of 107,800. And this is going to be the net profit for the year. You say gross income minus operating expenses. So if you're supposed to leave it in brackets here and indicate that it's a net loss. So basically, this becomes your final answer according to our income statement. So this is what we have guys uploaded in this video. Let's take a look for more videos to come. That's for this video. I'm out.